Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2014 Ninja 300 Special Edition with ABS brakes. This great little Ninja has just arrived with only 2,500 miles on the odometer, never been dropped. Awesome sounding Yoshimura exhaust. This is the one you've been waiting for. She's in fantastic condition. Lime green Kawasaki race team colors. Come by, check it out. We priced this one to sell at just $45.99. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.